Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.
Parts. We have started, we changed our website a while ago. We started selling parts online because I noticed that it's almost impossible to easily get something. So if you've been to our website, you'll see here we got the parts and accessories. Can you see that? Yep. Okay, you got it on the screen. So parts, accessories, and we've kind of categorized them all. We're constantly adding more to it, but we've got the most important ones up, like the chargers, the batteries, panels, things like that. So you go to parts, you pick what you're looking for, accessories, same thing, but use the search tool. So let's say you want a 12 volt, 20 amp hour battery. It can come up there and you just click on it, add it to your cart. There's multiple ways to pay for it. And we do normally ship within 24 to 48 hours. If we don't have the particular part in stock, which is rare, we will email you and give you the ETA on your shipment. So we're pretty proud of this, to be honest, and it's kept us very busy. So we're hoping to grow this more and more to have thousands of parts in the future, so that we're your go-to for any parts you need for your e-bike. So yeah, yay.